Welcome to Sometime 5. Today we're working with page 16. And today's lesson is all about pi as a fraction. Some of the questions you have to work out are a bit silly. And they also appear difficult. But they're not. Just work systematically. The spokes of a bicycle wheel are 35 centimeters long. A spoke is more or less the same length as the radius. So how many times will the wheel turn if the bike travels 11 kilometers? Well, let's try and find out how far the bike travels when the wheel turns once. In order to do this, we have to find the circumference of the wheel. Remember, circumference equals diameter times pi. Diameter is 2 times the radius, and we already know that the radius, or spoke, is 35 centimeters long. So 2 times 35 equals 70. The circumference equals 70 times pi. That's 70 times 22 over 7. If we divide 70 by 7, we get 10. So 10 times 22 equals 220. The circumference of the wheel is 220 centimeters. Now the bike travels 11 kilometers. There are 1,000 meters in every kilometer. So 11 kilometers is 11,000 meters. There are 100 centimeters in a meter. So if we multiply 11,000 by 100, we add 2 zeros and we multiply like this. 11,000 times 100 equals 1,100,000 centimeters. We know the circumference of the wheel is 220 centimeters, so we divide that number by 220 like this. 1,100,000 centimeters divided by 220 equals 5,000. So the wheel will turn 5,000 times in 11 kilometers. Here's another bicycle wheel problem. A bicycle wheel, which is 71 centimeters in diameter, turns 18 times. So how far does it travel? We know that circumference equals diameter times pi, so circumference equals 71 times 22 over 7, which is 1,562 over 7. Now the wheel turns 18 times, so we have to multiply this by 18. 18 times 1,562 over 7 equals 28,116 over 7, which equals 4,016 with 4/7 of a centimeter. Let's round this number off to 4,017 centimeters. We know there are 100 centimeters in a meter, so we divide this number by 100 to find out how many meters the wheel will travel. The easiest way to do this is to move the decimal point 2 places to the left, because we're dividing by 100, like this. 4017 becomes 40.17. We round it off again to 40.2 meters, which tells us how far the wheel travels.